Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Monk in Cloud. In this video, we're going to walk through about an interesting program that AWS has just released, which is AWS Reinforce, All Builders Welcome Grant. Basically, this grant is available for all the AWS community builders for them to apply and get benefited out of it. So if you're wondering what's this program all about, and if you want to know about more details, just stick on till the very end of this video. We will figure out and I will explain all the things that you need to know before applying. So if you are interested, let's get started. Right, so if you can see on my screen, the All Builders Welcome Grant is just opened, and it's a way for you to change the world through the tech. So it provides all the benefits and things that you require for you to change the world, right? So basically, to give you an overview, AWS is dedicated to building next generation of technical leaders. So what they've done is, they've removed the barriers for the tech enthusiasts to becoming world leaders. So all the All Builders Welcome Grant creates pathways into cloud technology, bringing together diverse perspectives that fuel innovation, right? So basically, this program expands opportunity for builders to develop and influence the next generation of technology. So this program is open for the first 5 years of the career of anyone. So it removes the financial barrier to attend AWS Reinforce 2025, which is happening from 16th of June till 18th in Philadelphia, right? So this event provides impressive opportunity to learn, network, and build community. And you can see and check the eligibility by checking the terms and conditions provided here. Basically, this grant include what are all that you are going to get out of this grant, right? So you will get a full conference pass to attend AWS Reinforce 2025, which is like around $1,000 if you ask me, if I'm not wrong. So you will get that full pass for free, and you will get an airfare to Philadelphia as well, and the hotel accommodation for 4 nights. And you will also have access to 2.5 days of reinforced content and activities, as well as intentionally designed programming for learning, career growth, and community building. So these are all the things that you will get. The grant also includes a welcome event, a reserved seating in the keynote. So you will also get a seating in the keynote, meetups, mentoring opportunities with AWS experts, and a lot more, right? So and there is a note as well: if you are applying for the grant outside of United States and require a visa to travel, please check your local embassy to ensure you can secure a timely visa appointment before you submit your grant application, right? So if you cannot secure a visa appointment in time for Reinforce 2025, they encourage you to apply for the grant in 2026. That's not a problem. You may not defer your participation in the program to the next any future year, except in rare circumstances and only with explicit approval by AWS in the sole discretion, right? So this is one of the useful program. If you ask me, have I applied? I had applied for AWS Reinvent 2024. The problem and the grant was approved as well, but I could not make it because of my visa issues. So as you know, it's hard to get visa appointment in India, so I could not make through. But right now I have my US visa, so I'll probably try to apply for this AWS Reinforce 2025 and see if I can make it. So this is one thing that I wanted to cover. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one with the next opportunity. Until then, bye.